Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox Premier, stock number Z75488. 28,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Siren red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back, fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. Blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Power liftgate. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Additional storage cubbies on both sides, along with power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.